Strategy Mapper, creating an actionable account plan to proactively manage accounts. Hi, as you can see, I'm in Salesforce. I've already chosen an account, and either I can go into the account details or I can go right into the plan. So I'm going to go ahead into the plan itself. And as you can see, based on the template that I selected earlier to build my plan out, I've got some pre-populated fields and information based on that template. For example, account details. This can be either standard Salesforce fields or any custom fields that you want to bring into your plan. I've got some partners that I'm working with in other opportunities. I've got my overall account strategy, and again, this can be populated based on the template that you select. I've got my 2-year plan, my 5-year plan, my value proposition, and lessons learned. These can be changed based on your sales vernaculars or whatever your taxonomy they're using in sales. One way that Strategy Mapper builds actionable and proactive management of accounts is, for example, my 2-year plan. Let's say that I think I am completed with my plan. I can click completed here now, and I can set up a reoccurring task to go back and visit this portion of the plan. I can do it monthly, every 6 months, yearly. I'm going to go ahead and every 6 months and go ahead and save it. What this does, this creates a task in Salesforce, so now I'll be reminded to go back and proactively manage this portion of the plan. And I can do it with any part or any section right here. Here I can have my manager comments and my team comments. Again, proactively managing this account with my manager and my team, because what I can easily do is I can notify my team. I could build my manager list here, and then I can send them an email directing them back into the account to get their feedback on my plan for the account. I could even do it for a team. I can build my team, send them information, and they will go back and put their input, because I don't want to create my plan in a silo. I want input for my entire team. And then here I have my open activities, activity history, account contacts, and I can add attachments to this particular plan. Another way to proactively manage your accounts, or you can have a checklist for each type of template. For example, different account may have a different checklist. And I can monitor the progress of the checklist based on a green, yellow, red color code system. I could even put coaching advice to the people using the plan that was selected. Very easy. Another is the buying process. So now it's actionable and yet proactive. What is the process that they go to buy? Who at the customer is my contact if I need to go ahead and ask about a particular process? Customer initiatives. This is very key. It's either from a greenfield perspective or a white space perspective. I can create an initiative. I can select a product or products or solution from my product list. I can add it. I can put a time frame that they're going to go ahead and maybe do this initiative. I can put some additional information, and I can even add potential revenue. I could also create a milestone to follow up on it proactively. I could even create an opportunity being actionable on this customer initiative. It's very easy to create an initiative. I just go to New. From a drop-down list that is configured by your organization, maybe they're going to do sales platform. I can select recently selected, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Strategy Mapper here. I can choose multiples if I like. I can put some additional information. I can put the time frame. I can put what I believe might be a potential revenue, and then save it. But what I really want to do with this is I want to make it active, proactive, and really actionable. So I want to create a milestone for this particular initiative, but maybe I'm not the one who would follow up on this. Maybe somebody else in my team. So I can go ahead and save that. The next is I can go into milestones. As you can see here, that customer initiative now became a milestone. And based on the date of the time frame I selected, it chose this date for this milestone to be due. I can assign it to anybody else in my organization. I'm going to go ahead and assign it to me. I could put some other information in here. Maybe they're looking at a platform, in the next 6 to 12 months. I could even send an email notification to the person that I'm assigning this to, because this becomes a task for them to follow up. I'll get notified when it's completed or if it's overdue. I can change the due date if I like. And I'm going to go ahead and save this. Again, it creates a task. I'll get an email, whoever I assigned it to, but I'll make sure that it's taken care of. Again, proactively managing this account. Red flags. What could happen in this account to jeopardize it? From a pick list, I could select it. Then I have my mitigation plan. Again, proactively managing what could happen in this account to derail it. Notes. Have a note. Talk to the customer real quick. Or maybe I got an email. I can put it in here. Then I can create a task for this particular note to follow up on. I could put a timestamp on it. Here, I can look at other information. For example, what competitors am I working against in some opportunities? What meetings have I had with the customer? Actionable sales intelligence. What am I gathering in these meetings to be successful? The timeline, I can see how the personas change over time. My customer team. Who am I meeting with from the customer perspective? My account team. Opportunities within this account. And I can look at their plan also. Any child accounts and any opportunities in the child account. Charts, this looks at revenue even before you install Strategy Mapper. We look what's in your pipeline, what have you lost, what's won, what products have you won or lost right here, and what products are in play. And then again, we'll look historically over revenue. Here, I can also add any custom data into the plan that's in your Salesforce. It could be a custom object, a custom field, and I can put it in the plan itself. Very easy to do. So now I'm building an actionable, proactive plan with Strategy Mapper. Here I can look at my action plan. What do I need to get done based on what is in my plan? Red indicates I have no mitigation plan. My opportunities, key players. Again, the action plan, depending upon what has been completed based on your plan. I've got a great account playbook here, very detailed of what's going on inside this account. What have I learned? It's a great tool when I'm doing an account review with my manager, or I want to send it to my manager either before they go on site with me, or I just want them to know what's going on. Quick document, take it on the plane with me and read it. Here's the account score. I can see the health of the account, my plan, my sales intelligence, and the average score of any opportunity using Strategy Mapper. And again, this is all based on the template. So if you're not showing the customer buying process, we will not take it into account for the score. And here's my sales intelligence right here, actionable sales intelligence. I can create a new meeting right here, proactively manage my account, either schedule in advance or right now, and I even have my org map where I can go ahead and build out the org map here within the organization. I can move the individuals along the org map and realign them in real time based on information that I've gathered. So Strategy Mapper really is for the proactive and actionable management of accounts. People have to be responsible for different things in the accounts, and you ensure that that's taken care of. And you ensure you're working on your accounts to drive revenue and be successful in your accounts. Thank you for watching our short video on creating an actionable account plan to proactively manage accounts in Salesforce using Strategy Mapper. Schedule your demo today at pointintime.com or email us at sales@pointintime.com. Have a great day.